There are 3 types of rings in a marriage: the engagement ring, the wedding ring, and suffering. You're welcome. So today I'm going to go around and I'm going to put more rocks along the bottom of the pig pen on the inside and the outside, and I'm going to attempt to make some more braces. I have some, I don't know what I'm trying to say. I'm gonna put a couple more poles, like 2 more in the middle of the long section there of the pen. I'm gonna put a couple more posts. So they're gonna be wooden ones, so I'm gonna hammer it in and build it myself. Then again, we're gonna put more rocks, and then I'm gonna do more rocks on the bottom of the chicken coop. I gotta line the entire thing with rocks there as well. And then I'm just gonna go around and clean up the area where the chicken coop used to be and move all the stuff out of there, so when you drive in it looks tidy and it's just more parking space. So Sam and I are going to get at that now.
What are you guys doing? I got some scraps from the local grocery store that they were getting rid of that I threw out here, and they've been loving it.
I've been giving them a bunch of plants, and they've been really eating that too.
They do love that.
Yeah, I've been giving them a bunch of big leaves and a bunch of clover, and they love that stuff. The chickens love clover too, but right now I'm feeding the pigs.
What you babies doing? They love the clover, you're right. Hello, baby boy. Hello, bacon. Mm-hmm.
Now let's see how they like this. Here come, they fight for it. They love that clover.
Okay.
Baby. Yeah. Oh, nice. Hey guys. This what I'm building, and then I tie their cage to it just to make it a little harder for them to escape. Well, that's like insanely hard, and this ground is so rocky, so I'm either gonna have to go buy more metal posts, or I'm just gonna line it with more rocks. I probably will get a metal post as well, get a couple more, but this is pretty good solid fence anyway. I'll put more rocks along the bottom. So I went and collected a bunch of big rocks and threw them in the back of the side-by-side, just a lot easier for transporting them. And I'm going to put them along the bottom of the pig pen. I forgot, sorry.
Say cupcake because my name is Cupcake.
Hey, cupcake.
So the one side here is pretty solid now, I'd say.
So since I've got this side of the fence with lots of really big boulders, I'm going to go on the inside now. I'm going to clean all the poop out. I'm going to scoop the poop out a couple times a day and start composting it behind here. Once I've moved all the poop out, I've thrown some big rocks over, and I'm going to line them up on the inside along this side so it's sturdy on both sides of the fence. And then I'll move on to the next side. So I'm just going to keep doing that for all three sides here. Put a bunch of big heavy rocks on each side of the fence, inside and out. So I'm just scooping up the poop, throwing it over to the other side of the fence. That way when I'm back out there, I'll just carry it over to my compost pile. All right, just got another load of big rocks, and I'm going to move them over here. Just throwing some really big ones over that are heavy because those guys are so strong and they can push like all rocks, so I just want to at least have some big ones against the fence on the inside. I think 3 big ones will be fine for this small area.
So I got it done. It's all lined with rocks.
And
Get off the fence. Get down. Stinkers. So as you can see, it's lined all the way around. And some on the inside, not a ton because they just move them anyway.
so we're done. So my mom's done all the rocks. I'm done feeding the pigs a bunch, and the pigs are right now just doing whatever. So we're all done for today. Now we're gonna go play ponies.
Yeah. Bye.